This place already looks haunted.
Good. That makes it interesting.
Stay close to the cabins after dark.
Why does that cabin look different? Did you hear that? Someone's outside. Please tell me those are raccoon footprints. Raccoons don't wear shoes. The lake said my name. Noah, don't go near the water alone. Why are you giving this to me?
Emma, why is the window wet from the inside?
Something's in there.
That sound is under us! Run!
Why are we chasing the creepy fox? Because it wants us to follow. Something's moving down there.
Nope. Absolutely nope.
It's watching us. Emma, this feels like a very bad idea. I think it's trying to show us something. This place has been hidden for years.
I should have told everyone the truth.
You knew this would happen? The mountain dam is breaking underground. That's why the animals are scared.
We need to leave now!
The lake is breaking! Everyone needs to leave the camp now!
What are you talking about?
The ground under the lake is collapsing! We evacuate now!
The animals are helping us. They've been warning us the whole time.
I can't move! Liam, look at me! Keep going!
It was never trying to hurt us. This tunnel goes under the camp.
Great, because normal exits are too boring.
Do you think the deer's still with us? This time I know it is.
Keep moving!
Don't stop!
We didn't listen.
I'll make sure they listen now.
The road is breaking apart! Move! Everybody move!
Echo wants us to go this way.
The old ranger trail,
It's still safe.
why is nature always trying to kill us?
Nature literally saved us!
Yeah, but look at it!
Just keep moving, we're almost there!
Run! Ah! We made it! Are you okay? We need to keep moving!
We made it! Because the forest warned us. The deer saved people before.
Then why did everyone call it a monster?
40 years ago, the forest tried to warn us too.
But people were too afraid to listen. The deer is warning us! The deer is warning us! Listen to me! The deer is warning us!
Do you think we'll see it again? Maybe, if the forest needs us. You caused half the problems here. It was real.
Next vacation, we're going somewhere normal.
This WS normal for the forest. I think the forest is still watching us.
We are almost done with the bridge.
It looks beautiful, just like the old one.
I like the colors.
Do you think people will listen now? I think they already started. Thank you.
Some mysteries are not meant to scare us. Some mysteries are meant to protect us.
The camera's finally captured something. Please don't say glowing deer. Who is that? I heard the knocking too. It's happening again. What? Are you new here? The forest told me to come. How do you know about the deer? Because it saved me before.
You were here 40 years ago? No, my grandfather was. Listen.
The forest wants to show us something else. The whispers always come from under the lake. Under the lake?
What? Doesn't every mystery here have a creepy tunnel?
We found it! My grandfather said the tunnel protects the forest. Protects it from what?
Listen, before it wakes.
What is down there? Maybe we shouldn't go in.
Okay, VH ice is definitely not normal.
My grandfather tried to stop them. Stop who?
The mountain is moving again! Follow river! What is that?
Something's down there.
Be still!
That thing was never supposed to wake up.
The forest protects those who protect it.
Why does survival always depend on a squirrel? Because Pip is awesome!
They're not monsters, they're protectors. The mountain was alive this whole time. If the heart breaks, the whole forest dies. That's why the Guardian woke up.
Why is the mountain angry again?
Something's still wrong.
The heart is breaking.
One last time. The ice is breaking under the lake. Why do disasters keep happening here? Because the forest keeps protecting us. This place is older than the camp. The deer has protected this place for hundreds of years.
Run! Ah! Keep moving! I can't! We have to!
This is what's causing the mountain to break.
The mountain is reacting to everything humans did.
It doesn't need fear. It needs balance.
Protect the balance, Walt! I don't know if we can! We have to!
We have to warn everyone now.
This better still work. Pull harder. It's stuck. We've got to keep trying. Push it, Mossy. Here it comes. We did it.
We hear you now. Thank you. Do you think the forest is safe now? I think we finally listened.
I'm so glad we came back to Pinewood Camp. Everything looks brand new again.
This is officially the weirdest vacation spot ever. And the best. You were right all along.
Some mysteries don't disappear. They become part of the world.
I think the forest just said goodnight.